Hello, today is April 5, 2021. My name is José Luis Fernández Franco of Group 39. Next, I will present the synoptic table on the little knowledge of the technology evaluation method by the manager in charge of the process. Causes. First, we find the lack of participation of companies in the research and development process. Then the lack of experience of the manager in evaluation process. Administrative and economic training instead of technical. Lack of precise information on the market. Ignorance of costs, the production and commercialization, and lack of reference information on royalties in the sector. What consequence does this bring? The evaluation process takes longer because they do not understand the nature and characteristics of the technology to be valued. A bad valuation be undervaluing or overvaluing the technology. The differential value compared to other competitors is low. The scope of areas is limited of application and is not possible to commercialize for not integrating of technological packets. My recommendation to face this difficulty are the technology manager is charged of the process must be intimately involved with technological innovation, must know firsthand the background or reason with such resource is being carried out. Be an active part as far as possible in the development to obtain fundamental information from different areas such as technical information on process, sales, marketing. Involve companies from the early stage of technology development to obtain information and process codes and to analyze business dynamic and application sectors to successful establishing negotiation and transfers strategic but nationally and internationally. Thanks.